My name is Dr. Ray Raymond, Professor of Government, co-founder and director of the Katt Institute for Constitutional Studies, named in honour of SUNY Ulster's former president, Don Katt. The mission of the Katt Institute is to educate college faculty, staff, students, and the wider community about the US Constitution and its continuing relevance today. Our main programme has been the Katt Lecture Series, which has brought so many exceptional speakers to SUNY Ulster. Having completed its first 10 years, I hope it will continue to educate and inform well into the future.